So the spoilers for Black Clover chapter 303 are out, and boom, guys, what we predicted, some of it came true. The matter about Nozel not defeating Megicula alone, and both Nozel and Noel getting to see Aesir for one last time. So without further delay, let's roll.
Back from the dead.
In the first panel, we have flashbacks of Nozel's memories from the battle between Aesir and Vanica in the past. We see Nozel trembling in fear with Noel in his hands and Aesir laying down in the ground. The scene changes to Aesir's room where she is laying in the bed. The next panel shows Aesir explaining to Nozel that how during the battle between her and Vanica she was cursed, and seeing her in that condition, Nozel feels bad, and the page ends with Aesir revealing something to Nozel. The first thing on the next page we see is Nozel realizing something, and we could see his face in shades, and we all know what was that reaction for. Yes, the fact that Aesir is gonna die has been realized by Nozel, and Aesir could be seen saying something to Nozel with a smile in her face. Probably she is saying that he doesn't need to worry. She knows that he is gonna become a great mage and a fine person, which he actually is. And also she asked Nozel to protect Noel. And after hearing that, Nozel bites his lips and tries his best not to cry. The panel changes to Aesir's funeral and Nozel seeing Aesir's grave saying something. Probably he's taking an oath to avenge her. Next we see Solid and Nebra being that annoying sibling and bullying Noel. And Nozel ignoring all those stuff, saying something to himself. I think that he's talking about not saying anything about Aesir's curse, as he thinks that talking about it might affect the people around him, and how he had to put all of the blame on Noel to save everyone, which he could never forgive himself for doing so. The next page we see that old Nozel shunning his sister for Aesir's death, reluctantly of course. The scene changes to Nozel saying something to himself, which might be him apologizing to Noel for what he is doing to her, like blaming her for something she isn't responsible at all, for all the shunning from her other siblings, to putting her into Black Bulls, which all was done to protect her specially, as well as his rest of the family. The next panel we have him getting all kinds of flashbacks from the Elf arc till the time he entered the Spade Kingdom, and also the captain's meeting where his long desire to face Megicula was drawing near, and the rage is clear on his face. And guys, the next panel starts where chapter 302 exactly ended. We have everyone's surprised face who were in the battlefield, and Nozel looking down on Megicula like he had looked at some trash, and it doesn't take much time for Megicula to identify Nozel. Nozel couldn't stand the next second of Megicula's existence and furiously uses silver shining regal spear on her, but she seems to be unaffected. And the next moment he recalls Aesir's last words, and my man looking like a beast, turning all his hatred into strength, his attack spell getting a boost, destroys Megicula's body, and Megicula realizes that she is losing her body and soon her heart is exposed, and as we all know that a devil's heart must be destroyed totally to kill it. Nozel, after exposing Megicula's heart, says something, and the next scene we have Nozel unlocking Noel's cage. So we know what he might have said. He didn't want to take all of the revenge by himself, so he ordered Noel to do the main stuff. Noel, as soon as she came out of the cage, she could be seen totally ready with her swords to strike the heart. In no time the heart is destroyed and she says goodbye to Megicula forever. And guys, as I predicted before that Aesir Silva could reappear, it exactly happened. Megicula said before that she controls Aesir and Vanica's soul. So now that Megicula is not here anymore, Aesir's soul reappears and hugs both Nozel and Noel and disappears. Nozel and Noel could be seen crying and the chapter ends. Damn, guys, such an epic chapter. I have literally no words to say. I am just speechless. Anyways guys, there will be a lot of changes in the text, so as soon as the translations are out, I will be making video on it and will be giving my review So let's not drag the video too much, and if you enjoyed the video, please subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up. I'll make sure that you keep getting spoiler leaks videos like this and chapter reviews of Black Clover, My Hero Academia, Boruto and Tokyo Revenger. So for now, signing off.